Today we are learning about the letter J. Letter identification. This is the capital letter J. Looking at your screen, can you find the uppercase J for me? It looks just like the J that was on our first slide. Find the uppercase J. Very good. You should have pointed or circled this uppercase J. Great job, everyone. This is the lowercase j. Now it's your turn. This time, can you find the lowercase j for me? Awesome job. You should have circled or pointed to the lowercase j on the right-hand side. Great job, everyone. Letter sound identification. Let's start by first practicing saying the sound that this letter represents. Again, this is the uppercase J. The letter J makes the sound J. Listen as I make the sound J, J, J. Now it's your turn. Can I hear you say the sound for letter J? If you are nonverbal, go ahead and say the sound for letter J in your mind. Very good. The sound you should have said for the letter J is J. Now, I would love to hear you practice the sound for letter J once again. However, this is the lowercase j. Lowercase j and uppercase j make the same sound. So I should hear you say J. Go ahead and let me hear you say the J sound. Fantastic. I should have heard you said the sound J for the letter J. Again, if you're nonverbal, say it in your mind. Sound search. Now let's have some fun with the sound that the letter J represents. We are going to look at each one of these pictures together and figure out which ones begin with the letter J in the words that we hear the J sound in. All right, here we go. Our first picture is right here. It looks like a plane, which you're more familiar with, but more specifically, this picture is of a jet. Jet. Does jet begin with the J sound, the letter J? Yes, yes it does. So I'm going to go ahead and circle this one for us. Fantastic. Our next picture is of a boat. Boat. Does boat have the J sound? No, it does not. So I'm going to leave that one blank. Let's move on to this next picture I think we all know what this could be. It is a sock. We wear socks on our feet. Does the word sock begin with the letter J? Do you hear the J sound? No, so I'm going to leave this one blank as well. Great job, guys. 3 more to go. Looking down here at the bottom left, I see a jungle. A jungle has trees in it and growing, and it's nice and green. Does the word jungle start with J? Do you hear the J sound in the word jungle? Yes. So let's circle this picture as well. Jungle starts with J. Fantastic. Moving on to our next picture. This picture is of a desert. Does the word desert start with J? Do you hear the J sound? No, desert starts with D, so that is not the letter that we are learning today. I am going to leave this picture blank. Our last picture is of a jacket. Does the word jacket have the J sound in it? Do you think jacket starts with the letter J? Great job. Yes, jacket does start with the letter J, and we absolutely do hear the J sound. So let's circle jacket. Great job, everyone. Write it. Now we are going to learn to write the uppercase J. First, we are going to draw a straight line down and curve to the left and stop about halfway up to the middle line. Then we have to lift and come back all the way to the top and draw a line straight across. This is how we write the uppercase J. I will write it with you. To begin, we do a straight line down. We curve to the left and stop about right here. We then would lift our finger, or if we are writing with a pencil or crayon, we would lift the crayon, come back to the very top line, and then draw our straight line across. Very good. Now this is your turn. Let me see how you would write the letter J. You can use the screen, or you can show your parents at home how to write the uppercase J in the air. This uppercase J is missing the line across, so I will draw it there for you. Go ahead and practice. Practicing in the air is fun. Point your finger down, curve around and stop. Let's lift our finger, go to the top where we started to draw in the air, and do a straight line across. Great job, everyone. Let's practice again. This is your turn, but now there is no uppercase J to trace. Do you remember how to draw or write the uppercase J? Go ahead and make marks on your screen, or you are more than welcome to write it in the air like we did before. Straight line down, curve around, lift, go back to the top, and draw a straight line across. Fantastic. Now let's practice writing the lowercase j. The lowercase j still does the same shape and movements as the uppercase, but we start a little bit lower. We go straight line down, and we're curving again, and we're going to stop, lift, come back to the top, and do a dot above our straight line. That is how you write a lowercase j. Let's practice again. If you want to practice in the air, that's perfectly fine. Ready? Get your finger ready. We're going to go down, curve, and draw our dot at the top. Fantastic, everyone. This time, you don't have any help. There's no lowercase j to trace. You can use your screen or again, practice writing the lowercase j in the air. Point your finger. Let's go down, curve around, stop. Go back up with your finger and let's do a dot right above where you started to point and draw your lowercase j. Right above that line is where you would put your dot. One more time with tracing practice. Let's do the uppercase j. It goes down and around, and then we can't forget the straight line across. That is an uppercase j. Now let's practice lowercase j. Again, same movement, down and around, and you dot the top. Fantastic. Okay, everyone, this is our last portion. I would love for you to practice one more time with no tracing help, the uppercase and lowercase j. You can also practice in the air. All right, get ready, uppercase j. We are going down and around, and we stop. Bring our finger back to the top, and we draw our straight line across. Very good. Now let's write the lowercase j. Again, we start by doing a straight line down. We curve around, we stop, we bring our finger back to the top, and we dot the top of the j. That is how you write the uppercase and lowercase j. Great job, everyone. That is the end of our lesson on learning the letter J. Remember, the letter J makes the J sound.